Good morning, INSURE Black America. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alrighty, so I've been talking, ever since like by the end of August. I've been talking about, it's time to, start looking into your health needs. Okay, and so today, you might be saying, okay, well, why is that even important? Well, did you know that when you know exactly what your needs are, you can actually save yourself money in your out-of-pocket costs? Okay, and so in today's live, I'm going to be explaining how doing a health needs assessment can save you money on your out-of-pocket costs. Okay, so if this is your first time, watching a video of me or being on the page. My name is Katrice-The. I am a licensed health insurance broker. I am licensed in 19 states, and I am also the founder of INSURE Black America, where my mission is to close the coverage gap in healthcare between Black Americans and other racial groups. Okay, and so Medicare open enrollment season is coming. Okay, it's October 15th to December 7th, 2020. Okay, and so that is the one time of the year that you have to enroll either in a Part C Medicare Advantage plan, or if you're in a Part C and you want to go back to original Medicare and a Part D, then that is the one time of year that you can do it without needing a special election period. Okay, and so it's very important that because you only have that one time of the year, that you really need to sit down and take a look at what has transpired through the year. Okay, this has been a really challenging year. Okay, and so if for most everybody or everybody mental health has changed. Okay, there's been some type of shift in our mental health. Okay, and so that's something that you need to look at and consider. Okay, now I have 6 things that I want to share with you. Okay, so well, first, before I share those things, let me just explain. So a health needs assessment, I kind of got ahead of myself, but a health needs assessment is where you sit down, you look at, okay, this is what happened, this is what changed, these are my health care needs. Okay, and then you look at your insurance and you say, okay, so this is the coverage that I have. Is the coverage that I have going to be sufficient to cover my needs? Okay, and so once you can, because you have to figure out what you need first. Okay, you can't just go start looking at insurance and, oh, this looks great because they have this and this, and that looks great because they have that and that, and you don't even know what you need. So you could be over insuring yourself, or you may be under insuring yourself. Okay, and so you definitely want to take the time to figure out what it is that you need. Okay, and so I'm going to give you 6 things that you need to start considering and looking at. Okay, now if you are working with me, I do, I ask a few more questions in this. Um, I'm not going in your background, too bad. No, but really, I ask a few more just so that I get an accurate assessment of what you need, and then so that I can recommend a plan that will suit your needs. Okay. But these are 6 things that you can do. You can ask these yourself, just so that the wheels start turning and you can start figuring out, okay, do you need to make changes when open enrollment comes, or is everything, straight good and you make changes? Okay, so have you received a new diagnosis? Okay, and now you want to, again, you want to look, we're starting in January up until now. Okay, have you received a new diagnosis? Have you had any changes to your medication? Have you started any new treatments? Okay. Have you had a change in your income? Do you want to change doctors? Are you not happy with your plan? If you have a Part C, you're not happy with the plan, you're not happy with the company, and you just want to be done. You start thinking about that. If are original Medicare with the Part D, is that Part D meeting your medication needs? If you have a Med Sup, is the Med Sup still providing, what you needed to provide? Do you need to look into maybe making changes in that arena? So, those are just some key things that, you need to start looking into and really thinking about, because going into October especially, you want to have your needs already, written down, and you know what you need, and this is what you're looking for. And so then you can go into the Medicare open enrollment season, knowing what it is. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. And, it'll just help you make a more informed choice. Okay. And so I hope that you guys found value in today's live. If you did, you can please share it out, okay? The reason I started INSURE Black America, and I'm not going to go on a rant, but the reason I started INSURE Black America is because I've seen just how the lack of information within the Black community, when it comes to health insurance, that has affected us greatly, okay? And, it's here. Health insurance is here. Everybody says that health is wealth, then protect it. You know what I'm saying? You want to protect your health. You may be a healthy person, but you can get in a car accident and then you have to go to the hospital. You need that insurance so that it'll pay. And you're not out of $100,000 easily. You're not on the hook, I should say, for $100,000. You may only be on the hook for 16,000, just depending on the plan. That's just hypothetical. But, so that's why I started INSURE Black America, is to educate, and seniors, Medicare, that is like my heart. That's my baby. I love Medicare, and I just want Black seniors to be informed of what their options are. Take more of a charge in your health care, because at the end of the day, nobody knows what you need better than you, because you are the one that is experiencing it. Okay. And so I just want you to be more informed, to be better informed about what it is that you have when it comes to your insurance, and how to utilize it so that it will cover what you need. So I'm sorry, that's my rant. I love Medicare. But again, if you found value, please go ahead and share it out so that others may find value. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday. And if you wanted to book a session with me, you can go to InsureBlackAmerica.com. Go to InsureBlackAmerica.com, or you can go to the Book Now button via the page. Just click that, and then you can schedule a session with me. So again, you guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later, and God bless.